Flight controllers, go no go. Guidance. Go flight. Temperatures. Go. MECO. Go MECO. Vehicle engines. Vehicle engines good. Heat shield. Go heat shield. Navigation. Go navigation. And control. Control go. All green for mission control. Flight director, go for launch. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, ignition, 2, 1. Hello and welcome to the broadcast. Today, Stratosphere Technology are launching the new P22, or Prototype 22. It's a craft built for interplanetary exploration, covered in lightweight heat shield tiles so it can re-enter the atmosphere horizontally. Vehicle is pitching downrange, before flipping to vertical at the last second to make a landing burn. This is its first extraterrestrial flight test today. The launch will consist of takeoff, max Q, cutoff, re-entry, flip and landing if all goes to plan. As its name suggests, it is the 22nd version of the vehicle, some of which for space exploration and some of which for transport and construction here on Earth, although in the future possibly colonies on other planets. Trajectory nominal. Speed nominal. Five kilometers. Ten kilometers. Vehicle is entering max Q. The next upcoming event is max Q, when the craft experiences the highest mechanical stress in its ascent. MECO. We've just had MECO, or main engine cutoff, meaning that we are now at the edge of space. P22 will now glide out and then back into our atmosphere for re-entry, followed shortly by landing. Re-entry. Re-entry is when our craft, currently going over 1,000 meters per second, falls back into Earth's thick atmosphere. This will mean that incredibly high amounts of air resistance will occur, heating up and slowing down P22. This is what the heat shield tiles are for, however, as it absorbs all of the heat, keeping our vehicle safe throughout re-entry. As you can see at the top left of your screen, parts of the heat shield are now over 1,000 degrees Celsius. Peak temperature 2377. Survived re-entry. As you can see, the craft is now horizontal and cooling down. It will, very soon, make the flip to vertical, however. Ignition. We're vertical. Although the craft is swerving dramatically, we still do have control of it. Touchdown. Full system cutoff. And that looks like a perfect landing of P22. Mission controllers, go on go status. Temperatures, go. Vehicle engines. Vehicle engines good. Heat shield, go heat shield. Control. Control go. Flight director confirming successful prototype 22 flight test. A perfect flight test. See you back here on the channel for our next launch. Goodbye.